In this video, we'll be showing you how to use a pH meter. There are lots of different types of pH meters. This is the model we'll be using in our lab. So when you come in, it'll be off and it will just be displaying a date and a time. To turn it on, press the on button. After the pH meter has been turned on, you want to make sure that it is in the correct pH mode. To make sure it is, hit the exit button and make sure the pH/temp mode is flashing. If it is, press enter. If not, you can scroll through using the cal button until it is flashing. Hit enter and now it is in the pH mode. Now we will begin to calibrate the pH meter. In order to do this, find the cal button, press it, and wait for the system to go through its process. And the very first calibration standard you need to use is pH 7. When you are calibrating the pH meter, 3 buffer standards are available: pH 4, 7, and 10. They are color-coded so that you do not get them mixed up. So first of all, the instrument wants to be calibrated using pH 7. Right now the electrode is immersed in pH 4. So what we do is we raise it and we have to wash the meter before we can use it. There are holes at the side of the guard. You can use a wash bottle with distilled water and just wash the outside of the guard, and then place the nozzle of the wash bottle into the hole and to wash the inside of the guard. Once you have rinsed it, take a chem wipe and very gently just dab the guard and wick away any water. Once you have done with that, get your pH 7, immerse the electrode into your pH 7, and gently mix. Once you are done with the pH 7, again, raise the electrode, cap the buffer, wash again with distilled water. Make sure you wash inside the guard as well. Gently wick away any extra solution. And now we're going to use pH 4, the pink buffer. Again, lower the electrode into the pH 4 and mix. For the next buffer, raise the electrode, wash the electrode again with distilled water, inside the guard as well. Wick away the extra water. And the last buffer we'll be using is pH 10. Lower the electrode and allow it to calibrate. Once you are done with the calibration, raise the electrode, cap your buffer, wash your electrode again, wick away the extra liquid, and during the day, if you're not using the pH meter, store it in pH 4. When you are ready to use the pH meter, rinse it again with distilled water and then immerse it in your solution of interest. Until then, always keep it immersed in pH 4 for long periods of time. Once you are done calibrating the instrument using the 3 different buffer solutions, you need to get out of the calibration mode. To do that, find the exit button, press it, the system will update itself, and now it's in the mode where it can read the sample, the pH of the sample that you need to measure.
Remember guys, safety first. Don't forget your goggles, lab coat, gloves, proper footwear. Common sense might be a good asset too. Before coming into lab, make sure you read your lab. And when in doubt, always, always, always consult your TA. See you next time.